Okay, guys. So, good evening. So, ito na naman tayo. So, actually, bango. So, let me try to discuss to you guys yung nangyaring habang siya ay, what do you call that, nagsasalita, no? Doing the speech, no? In front of how many foreigners, no? Mga foreigner. Biglang, bigla na lamang nag-drip, no? Yung sipon, no? But the question is it a normal thing or not? So actually, uh, some experts call it as a cocaine drip. Cocaine drip kasi if you're going to notice, hindi mo na napapansin na tumutulo dito yung iyong sipon, ano? So is it an ordinary or an extraordinary, no? Na what they call that? Ordinary or extraordinary cold, right? So when we talk about a cocaine drip, slang term siya. It's a slang term describing the bitter liquid sensation that runs down the back of the throat after the cocaine is snorted, no? So, ibig sabihin to, cocaine drip, no? Ang tawag doon, slang term na kung saan inilalarawan dito, no, it pertains to a bitter liquid sensation. Bitter liquid sensation. It runs down the back of the throat. So, back of the throat, no? After the cocaine is snorted. Paano ba tayo mag-snort ng cocaine? Actually, di ko alam yun, ano? Napapanood ko lang to. Napanood ko yung pag-snort ng cocaine doon sa pelikulang Scarface by, no, actor. The actor is Al Pacino. Ganun, no? Ano ba yun? Ganun sinano yung cocaine, ano? Tapos ginagalaw yun. Yun, no? So, what happens, no? Pag nag-snort ka? When someone snorts cocaine through the nose or part of the powder, no? Siyempre, ilalatag mo ulit yung powder no? Snort mo siya. It, it dissolves in the nasal mucus and drips down from the nasal passages into the throat. So, pag nag-snort ka pala, nag-snort ka ng cocaine, madidissolve siya doon sa iyong nasal mucus and it will drip down from the nasal passages into the throat. Nasal passages into the throat. Ibig sabihin, kasi doon sa isang YouTube channel na napanood ko, once na siningot mo siya, matutuyo yung mo, yung mucus lining mo rito sa ilong, matutuyo siya pag in-snort mo yung cocaine. So matutuyo siya. So pag natuyo siya, magkakaroon ng drip, no, doon sa nasal passage mo papunta doon sa throat. Alright? Kaso nga lang, minsan, nagkakamali nung, sa sobrang dami ng drip, minsan may lumalabas na dito, may pumupunta na dito sa nasal passage mo nang hindi mo namamalayan. Alright? So, this creates a chemical tasting drip that people often feel 5 to 15 minutes after the use. So, after mong mag-snort ng cocaine, so from 5 to 15 minutes, magkakaroon ka ng chemical tasting drip, no? After the use. So, ang common characteristic nito, guys, there's a bitter or chemical taste in the throat. Bitter, no? Dito sa throat mo. Or a chemical taste. No? Numbing sensation in the nose, throat, and the gums. Gilagid, no? So, numbing, ibig sabihin, wala nang pakiramdam, no? There's no sensation. doon sa iyong ilong, sa throat, at saka sa gum. So yung post-nasal drip feeling. So there's a post-nasal drip feeling, and sometimes the irritation or burning, there's an irritation or burning in the throat. So yung throat mo nai-irritate or nagbe-burn. So the question is, why does it happens? Cocaine is water soluble, so it mixes with the nasal fluids. So ano pala guys, yung cocaine is water soluble, no? So nagmi-mix siya sa nasal fluid. Siyempre, yung natin may fluid eh. And it flows into the throat through the nasopharynx, no? So health concerns here, no? So the frequent cocaine use and the resulting drip can lead to, so kung lagi kang gumagamit ng cocaine, and then this everyday use or frequent use will result to what we call as dripping, no? No, the resulting drip can lead to yung drip, no? Nasal drip, cocaine drip. So it will lead to nasal irritation. So mai-irritate, nasal irritation, bleeding, sinus infection, damage to the nasal septum, throat irritation or chronic cough, and risk of substance dependence, no? Substance dependence, dumedepende ka na dun sa cocaine, right? So dependent na yung buhay mo doon. So yan, no? So yun yung mangyayari. So that's kasi ang mangyayari doon because of that, kaya hindi mo na nararamdaman dito guys yung dripping, no? Kasi nga tuyo na rito mo eh. Wala nang pakiramdam, nagnanamb nga siya. Tapos minsan yung dripping pumapasok doon sa esophagus pababa sa stomach, no? At naapektuhan yung intestine, nahalo siya ron. So nagkakaroon ng diverticulitis because of that, no? And then minsan naman pag ano naman, no, nag-drip dito, parang nasusuka ka. Ganun ang nangyayari. So yun ang ano, ang nagiging what they call that symptom, no, nung paggamit ng cocaine. So huwag kayong gagamit yan. It's very dangerous. It will be uh, dangerous for your life. Huh? Kaya ingat. So hanggang doon lang muna. Bye-bye.